Well, hello, good morning, and it's your old mate Dave Spencer back with you again. And this morning we're down in East Sussex at the town of LEWES, and there's a rail replacement bus service on as they're upgrading a junction on the railway on the Brighton line. And there's a bit of a mix of operators. We're actually heading up to Guildford, so I thought it'd be a pleasant diversion for a few minutes to see what's happening on the Brighton line. And what are you going to see there? Of course, we shall see what we shall see. Who knows? And I know there's Bournemouth yellow buses there, and also perhaps Seaford. So there's bound to be something of interest. We'll have a few minutes there and see how we get on, and I'll catch up with you later. How's that? Okay, take care. This is Crawley luxury coaches. Sure how this one figures on the luxury scale, but we are certainly going to get a variety of vehicles coming in. The sky is very overcast, a little bit of rain in the air. Over the past week we've had 3 named storms which have wreaked havoc through south of England, and now floods in the north. Ireland been hit hard, and also heavy snow up in Scotland and the northeast. With a bit of luck, the Seaford district will be up next. And we've got a coach just pulling in by the Station X entrance, LJ Edwards. We've got a driver now for Seaford. We've got some passengers as well, and there's 2 trains in the station now. Perhaps we've just timed this right, but I'm still doubtful if there's going to be a rush of activity. But it makes a pleasant diversion from our usual spots down in this neck of the woods. And the reason we're going off to Guildford is that since we were last there, Arriva have moved out and Stagecoach have bolstered their strength in the area. Oh, we've certainly got a few on board now. Okay, Seaford's away. Another train coming in or going out. I'm no expert on railways, I'm afraid. Apologise for any wind noise today, but that's going to be the way it is. And take it from me, this is about the least windy day we've had for a while. Another Crawley moved in. Well, hello, it's your old mate Dave Spencer back with you, and a slightly blustery afternoon down at Guildford in Surrey. Earlier on we paid a visit to look at the rail replacement buses at LEWES in East Sussex. We've made our way up through the highways and byways of Surrey, and we went over some roads we'd never used before. Well, it's great to be with you. What are we going to see in Guildford? We shall see what we shall see, of course, and it's great to have you with us. I'm going to plough on. It's a little bit breezy, a bit windy. Apologise for any wind noise, can't be avoided. So yes, I know, yeah, we know. Arriva's gone, Stagecoach moved in, Safeguard have picked up a route they haven't run for about 100 yards. Exciting times. See you in a bit.